Okay. Good afternoon, students. So I welcome you all to our e-learning class. This is, as you know, it is your science class now. So all of you must be ready, yes, with the science book along with the science copy, because we are actually doing chapter number 11, no, force, work and energy. And we have done the offline videos. I have done the offline videos that has been uploaded there. We have completed some chapters there. Okay, the question answer has been done, and those who have not done the question answer, you must watch the video and do the needful. You will write down the question answer. We have done chapter number 10. Okay, and chapter number 11 we have done up to question number short answer question number 2. Okay, so this is your chapter number 11, force, work and energy. Force, work and energy. Remember, these chapters are all there in your term 2. These chapters are all there in your term 2 syllabus. Okay, this chapter number 10, chapter number 11, all are there. Chapter number 13 and chapter number 14. Okay, so we have discussed the question answer there. Just a recap what we have done in the previous videos or previous classes. Okay, see here, in this chapter we have learned about force, the effect of force. We have learned different effects of force. Then we have learned also types of forces: gravitational force, force of friction. These we have also learned. Then we have learned about simple machines. Simple machines, you know, the machines are the devices that make our work faster and easier. Okay, and there are 6 types of simple machines we have learned. We have learned that lever, pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plane, wedge and screw. Okay, then we have learned work. What is work, or when work is said to be done? We know work is said to be done only when a force applied on the body makes the body to move in the direction of the force. Then we have learned energy also. Energy is the ability to do work, and the different sources of energy. We have learned the solar energy. We know what is wind energy. We know what is hydro energy or water energy. Then hydroelectricity also. And the changes of energy means one energy can be transformed into the another form. Means they can be changed from one form to another form. We have learned there. Then we have done the question answer up to question 2 from short answer question. So today I will be starting from short answer question number 3, and I will request everyone to watch the offline videos and the online videos in the YouTube channel. You will be getting all the question answer from there also in the offline videos. Okay, so both are important, remember. Okay, so we are doing short answer question, and everybody, I have told you, you must have your science book with you along with the science notebook, means science copy. You will write down the question answer. Okay, we have discussed question number 1. Just a recap: give any 4 effect of force. You know, 4 effect of force. This is given on the first page, page number 65. 4 effects of force are: force can move a resting object. Number 2, force can stop a moving object. Number 3, force can change the direction of moving object. And number 4, force can change the shape of an object. Okay. Then there is another question number 2. I will just discuss this one. When a wall is pushed, it does not move from its place. Is any work done in this situation? Why or why not? You know that work is done only when you are applying force and you are moving the body. The body is displaced from the position. But here no work is done because you cannot move the wall. How can you move the wall? Okay, it does not move from its place, so no work is done here. The wall does not move. This is because work is done only when a force applied on the body makes the body to move in the direction of force. Okay. Today number 3 onwards we will do number 3. See number 3. Rishabh's mother seldom uses LPG and electrical equipment and mostly uses solar energy for cooking and heating purposes. Rishabh has convinced his friends and neighbors also to do so. This is a very good activity, this one, because you know solar energy we should use more. Okay. Now the question is, what is solar energy? I will write the question. Question number 3a. What is solar energy? Okay. Solar energy, the energy that we get, the energy that we get from the sun, is called solar energy. You will underline here solar energy, and I will request everyone to write down the question answer in your science notebook. Okay. The energy that we get from the sun is called solar energy. 3a. Okay. Number 3b, we will not do this one because you know this is a value corner question, value based question. Thus discussion here, what value does Rishabh's mother show by using solar energy? Actually Rishabh's mother is very intelligent one. She is using the solar energy, okay, for the cooking and heating purposes. It is better to use this one because it is very eco-friendly one, and you are actually getting all the time. You just have to have the solar panel there. The energy is conserved there. You are storing that energy and using it later on. Okay, this is the main thing. But LPG and other types of fuels, that is coal, LPG, electricity, okay, this is actually current consuming, and also this is you are using your money there. No, you are paying the money for it, but actually the solar energy, it is better there, better for you, and it is also very eco-friendly for you. So it is better to use this solar energy for cooking and the heating purposes. Okay. Now question number 4. What is meant by gravitational force? We will do that one. Question number 4 now. What is meant by gravitational force? What is meant by gravitational force? Okay, the question is, what is meant by gravitational force? Okay, we'll do this one. The force, the answer is the force by which the earth pulls, the force by which the earth pulls objects The force by which the earth pulls the objects towards it is called gravitational force. You will underline gravitational force. Okay, this answer is completed now. Or gravity you can also tell. Okay, so what is meant by gravitational force? The force by which the earth pulls the objects towards it is called gravitational force. Okay, this is completed now. Now next question, we will do the next question from short answer question. Page number, you can refer to page number 71. Okay. Okay, what is the force of friction? Question 5. Question is, what is the force of friction, or what is frictional force, or what is friction? Both are same. These are all same question. What is the force of friction? What is the force of friction? Okay. Answer: a force that tries to stop a moving object a force that tries to stop a moving object is called force of friction. I will underline this one. Everybody will also underline force of friction, because we are actually writing the definition of force of friction, or frictional force I have told you, or friction. So what is friction or frictional force or force of friction? A force that tries to stop a moving object is called force of friction. Okay, now the next question, most probably the last question of this short answer question, number 6. The question is, what are simple machines? What are simple machines? Name any 5 What are simple machines? Name any 5 types of name any 5 types of simple machines. Okay, this is the question. So I will write this answer. Simple machines are the devices simple, you will underline simple machines. Simple machines are the devices that make our work simple machines are the devices that make our work faster and easier. Okay. Now we have to next part is name any 5 types of simple machines. 5 types of simple machines are lever, I can write lever, okay, then pulley, wheel and axle, lever, pulley, wheel and axle, wedge and screw. Okay, I can underline lever, pulley, wheel and axle, wedge and screw. These are the 5 types of simple machines. Okay. Okay, so this is the last question and that's all for today's class. Okay, today we have done up to the last question of short answer questions. Okay, so in the next class we will be doing the long answer question, or in the next video that will be uploaded, offline video maybe, we will do the long answer question. Only question 1 and 2 is there, we will solve that 2 questions. You must watch the videos there, you will get the answers there. Okay, so before ending, what I will do, I will just recap what we have done today. Okay, see here we have done short answer question from the exercise of chapter 11, force, work and energy. This is page number 71. See number 3a, what is solar energy? The energy that we get from the sun is called solar energy. Next, what is meant by gravitational force? The force by which the earth pulls the objects towards it is called gravitational force. Then number 5, what is the force of friction? A force that tries to stop a moving object is called force of friction. Now number 6, last question, what are simple machines? Name any 5 types of simple machines. So simple machines are the devices, the answer is simple machines are the devices that make our work faster and easier. 5 types of simple machines are lever, pulley, wheel and axle, wedge and screw. I hope all of you have written that one. Those who have not written, you please write it down in your science notebook. This is very important chapter also. You will go through the chapter each one, and you will also see the offline videos and the online videos both. Okay. So till then, thank you everyone for the class. Okay. Okay.